Hey, what is going on? This is Super Simple Fixes, and today we are going to be doing our very first restaurant review, and this one is on the Sushi Eatstation in Altamont Springs. So before we get into it, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. When you walk up to this place, this is a little shopping strip plaza, and you see a couple of things hanging up here. Looks like their hours are 11 to 10 every day. You've got the website right there. I'll post that down below. And I actually went in a minute ago, and they do not have actual paper menus. You have to scan a QR code, and then you can go ahead and order whatever you want. Okay, so this is the layout, and it's set up almost exactly like a Chipotle. So you go up there, you gotta make your order, and then they'll go ahead and make it right there. Pay for it over on the right, walk over here, and there you go. We've got a few window seats, and we'll take a look at the menu and we'll see what we're gonna get. Okay, so they have these little computerized kiosks where you order, and it's touchscreen. There we go. And so I've never been here, but it looks like they have some pretty interesting stuff like sushi burritos, maybe even sushi tacos or something, but these are bowls. We'll see how this all works out. Build your own burrito. Bowls. I don't know. I've never been here before, so I'm gonna. Ooh, check this out. Avo Lover Burrito. Well, let me figure it out, and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so I grabbed a swimming cow salad. Haven't tasted it yet, but it looks really good. And this one is a build your own bowl. So, you know, you could do, this one looks like it has rice in it and avocado. Mine is an actual salad, but we're gonna dig in. Okay, so this bowl was actually called the Swimming Cow, and so far it's pretty good, but I think I found maybe 3 pieces of steak in it. I think there should be a little more steak in it for the price of, what did we pay? I paid about, what, $13, $14 for it. So it's pretty good. Not sure. If I come back, I would probably try something else. That bowl actually looks pretty good. But yeah, this is like a combination of a, I guess, Asian food, kind of like Latin style cuisine type thing. All right, but I would say it's 2.5 stars out of 5. Thanks a lot, guys.